Hello class and welcome to week 15 of ACLT 053 online. This is the final week of the semester and it is the week wherein you will be working exclusively on your final portfolio assessment. We call this module the FPAM module. Let's go to it. So it's the final portfolio assessment module, and in it you will be working on revising the 3 essays that you've previously worked on. It excludes the last essay, the Greats essay. So the first essay from the first learning module that we worked on, the second essay from the second learning module we worked on, and the third essay from the third learning module we worked on. So you'll be submitting these essays to me in assignments, and you will be significantly revising these essays, and you'll compare the revised essays to the original. So for each of the essays, you will, after you've revised the essays, you'll be writing a 2 to 3 paragraph revision reflection that answers 3 of the questions below. What are the strengths of the essay as related to the course objectives? Be sure to discuss the readings, the critical thinking, and the writing objectives. Give specific examples from your own essay to support your answer. 2. What are the weaknesses of this essay as related to the course objectives? Be sure to discuss the readings, the critical thinking, and the writing objectives related to the topic and the course and to your essay. Give specific examples from your essay to support your point. What specific changes? 3. What specific changes did you make to the essay to address the weaknesses and the feedback from your instructor? Give specific examples from your revised essay to support your answer. So that is part 1. You'll be revising your essay and writing a reflection after each revision that you submit. The second part is a semester reflection. That is where you're going to be writing a letter to either your next English professor or your next college course that you will be taking. And you will be answering the following questions. How are you prepared for the academic rigor and expectations of future courses? 2. What have you learned about reading, writing, and critical thinking from this course? Give specific examples from your essays to assess yourself. Also, I'd like you to discuss the completed writing process that helped you compose your successful essay. Include the steps you took from pre-writing to revision to final product. Also, I'd like you to include what reading and writing skills will you need to continue to develop in order to be successful. Finally, how will the skills you learned in this course be successful and useful in other courses or in life in general? Refer to specific skills as noted in the final portfolio rubric. So there you have it, the final portfolio information. It is due later in the week, so please check the calendar to see when it's due. There is a tab on the there's a tab on the navigation bar for you to submit your final portfolio assessment. It's worth about 100 points, so please don't forget to submit it that way. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you.